Can being a healthy weight help with pain management? Well, the short answer is yes, it can. Now, if you have an injury, then you need to get that looked at specifically by a medical specialist. However, if you have general aches and pains, particularly in your lower body, then being closer to a healthier weight for your height can really help with this, and you'll feel a lot better. You'll feel more energised, you'll feel less fatigued, and you'll find everyday movements that little bit easier. So 3 things you can do to help with this. The first one would be to be more active. So look at how active you are each day in a week and try to work out where you can be that little bit more active. Not always take the easy options. Second thing you can do is to sort your diet out. So record what you have to eat and drink for a week, then review it and do more of the good things and less of the bad things. The third thing you can do is exercise. So this will need to be a combination of cardiovascular training and strength training. If you're not doing any at the moment, then you can start off slowly and build it up. If you're already doing some, then try to increase that gradually over time to do that a little bit more. Let me know if pain affects you in any way in the comments below. Any questions, DM me.